Home hardware paid $99 for a particular type of drill. Expenses are 13% of selling price. The required profit is 12% of the selling price. Okay, what is the regular selling price? Now we know that selling price is equal to cost plus expenses plus profit. So the cost is $99, correct? So there it is, cost is $99. Expenses are 13% of the selling price. So that'd be 0.13S, and the profit is 12% of the selling price. So there we are. That would be the profit, 0.12S. So we insert those numbers into this formula. Selling price is equal to cost plus expenses plus profit. So S is equal to 99 plus 0.13S plus 0.12S. Now we can combine the two terms that have S, 0.13 and 0.12, as we see right here. And that would give us, let's see, 0.13 plus 0.12. That gives us the 0.25S, as we see right here. So now we rearrange and we get S minus 0.25S is equal to 99. We could indeed factor out the S and get 1 minus 0.25S is equal to 99. And that the 1 minus 0.25 will give us this 0.75, right? 1 minus 0.25 will give us the 0.75. S is equal to 99, or S is equal to 99 divided by the 0.75. We are dividing, so we can invoke the 1 over X button and multiply by 99, and we get the answer, $132. So that is the regular selling price. All right, now what is the break-even selling price? Now, break-even, we know that the profit is 0. So with that, we know this term will fall off, the P. So we're just left with what? C plus E. So at break-even, it's cost plus expenses. We have the cost, it's 99, but we don't have the expenses. Why? Because we didn't know the selling price previously before we calculated it. Now we now know it's $132. So with that, we can insert the $132 into the formula and put the 99, which is the cost, plus 0.13 times 132. Okay, so we have the 132. We could multiply by 0.13. We could get an answer for that, 17.16, which is this number right here. And to that, we add $99, which is the cost. And that gives us $116.16. So that is the break-even price, $116.16. Now, during an inventory sale, the drill was marked down 26% on the regular selling price. Okay, so it means it was the selling price minus 0.26 of the selling price. And we can factor out the S and get 1 minus 0.26. So if we do that, 1 minus 0.26, we'll get 0.74S, as we see right here. Now we know the price, we know the selling price, the regular selling price, and it is right there, which we calculated previously, $132. So we insert the number in this expression and we put 0.74 times 132. So we have the 0.74, we multiply by 1 1.32, and we get the answer of $97.68, which we see right here. Okay. Now, what is the operating profit or loss during the inventory sale? Use a negative sign for a loss, depending on what the calculation turns out to, to reveal the result. Now, the selling price on sale is still equal cost plus expenses plus profit. Now, the sale price is exactly what we calculated up here, $97.68. The cost we know previously was $99, correct? So now let's go and we can calculate, we did calculate the expenses before 0.13s, which is 0.13 times 132, and that will give us this $17.16, which is what we did right up here. Okay, so we know that the number is $17.16. Of course, we could do the calculation again and find it out, such as 0.13, and we multiply that by 132, and there we get the number 17.16. Now, the price on sale was this price here, $97.68, which is what we insert here. The cost was $99. The expenses were $17.16. So to find the profit, we have to move these two terms on the right here over to the left. So in doing that, we change the sign. So we get 97.68 minus 99 minus 17.16. And if we do that, let's go and do that now. 97.68 minus 99 minus 17.16, it's equal to $18 negative, $18.48, meaning there was a loss. That is what the negative sign indicates.